Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be telling you how to do this gorgeous smoky eye look. So without further ado, let's begin. So firstly, I am going to take this NARS concealer, which is in the shade Caramel. It will be mentioned in the description box below. Go check it out. This is the best concealer that I've found till now. This actually covers the hyperpigmentation and dark circles so well with just single application, and you don't have to apply a color corrector before it as well. So yes, this is beautiful. Apply that as a base and then set it with the setting powder, light setting. Then I'm going to use this Maybelline gel eyeliner, and with an angle brush I'm going to apply it on half of my lid. Make sure that you apply it really nicely because you are going to blend it so that it can smudge out a bit, smudge it out in other words. So I am going to apply it on half of my lid, kind of half. Then I'm taking a small blending brush and I am just going to blend the outer edge of this eyeshadow like the gel eyeliner so that it's a bit soft and not as harsh, and it can blend with the rest of the shades as well. Also go ahead and blend the outer corner into a V as well so that it looks nice when you finally set it. Like this, blend it in the outer corner and just blend the edges nicely, buff them out. Now I'm taking this Kaleidoscopic Dreams eyeshadow palette by Makeup Revolution. I'm taking this gorgeous shade from this palette and I'm going to apply it right on to the black shade, like not on top of it, but where the line of the black eyeliner is, that's where I'm going to apply the purple one. You can say that I'm blending the black with the purple. First just pat the shade there and then after that start blending it in small circular motion so that the black is nicely blended with the purple. Now I'm taking this light like mauve kind of a shade on another brush and I'm just blending the purple with this. What I'm doing is I'm blending the outer edges so that it gets really like subtle and they're not harsh, they don't look harsh, they just all blended out very nicely, and they can give a like nice blended look, like as if they're going from mauve to black and no harsh lines in between. Now I'm taking this gorgeous black shade, for which I will buy this palette again, and I'm just patting this shade onto the gel eyeliner. Where I applied the gel liner, I'm just patting this, setting it with a black eyeshadow. And now I'm going to take that purple, the brush which I applied the purple shade with, the first shade, and I'm just going to blend the black eyeshadow nicely with the same purple shade so that it has no harsh lines and it's nicely blended and darkened at the crease. Now I'm taking the lighter mauve color a little bit and blending the outer corners. I'm also going to blend the outer V to give it all a blended kind of a look. And that's done with both my eyes. Now I'm going to go ahead with the rest of the face. You have to clean the face after applying a black eyeshadow because mostly black eyeshadows do have a fallout. So I am going to clean it very nicely, and after that I will hydrate my face. After that I'm taking the same NARS concealer and I'm just applying it on my under eyes, and along that, see, I'm neatening the eyeshadow, making it into a V. That's the beauty of it. If you apply eyeshadow before the makeup, you can always correct it with makeup. Now I'm applying a foundation. Don't worry, all the products are going to be mentioned in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check all of them out. I'll be putting down the shades as well. Now I am going to highlight. I use a lighter concealer. If you want to see videos like detailed videos on all of these techniques, they're all uploaded. I will try to link as many as I can underneath in the description box, but you can just go ahead on my main channel, the YouTube channel, and you will see all of these videos uploaded there. Most of them are recent uploads. Now I'm taking the same Maybelline eye gel and gel eyeliner, and I'm just applying it on the lower lash line. And now I am taking the blending brush and just smudging that gel eyeliner. Smudge it nicely so that it's not blob or not not uneven. I'm just blending it underneath both of my eyes, and after it's blended nicely, then I will go ahead with the next step. Now I'm taking the mauve shade, the lighter purple, on the brush again, and I'm smudging the black, blending the black color with that purple shade, because I want to show the same kind of gradient under the eye as it is on the lid. Now I wanted to give it a neat eyeliner look, although this look did not require an eyeliner, but I still wanted to apply an eyeliner. And then I apply the mascara. I am going to apply falsies after this, like false eyelashes, but still mascara is a must. And after that I will go ahead with the lower lashes. Tell me, why do we all make this face when applying anything to the lower lashes or eyeliner or anything? Now I'm applying highlighter, and I love this highlighter. And that's it, guys. Do you see how gorgeous and how easy it was? Smoky eyes is the beauty of those, that you can do it with any color. Just you need a black eye shade or a black color, and then you can blend it out using any shade you want. So yeah, this is it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. If you did, then please do give me a big thumbs up. Please comment below, and please do subscribe. Please let me know from where are you watching my video, from which city, from which country, and all that. I will definitely send you hugs. I'll see you in the next one very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay happy, and stay connected. Bye bye. Love you all.